Right, this field here, yesterday afternoon, was like that there. And yeah, I managed to jump in with Dan and we went and had a look how it was going with the old Claas 770. Anyway, let's have a look at this old Claas. From the old Dominators and stuff like that.
It does. We're on bigger machines, bigger headers.
Yeah, it's just the capacity is so much more now, isn't it?
It is.
You know.
Okay, like the 1090 41 foot header, got exactly the same grain pan, sieve pan size as a 990. That's a 35 foot header.
Yeah.
It's got some material going to it.
Yeah.
When was this sprayed off? It was sprayed 13 days ago.
13 days, yeah.
This variety got bleached by the sun quite bad.
Yeah.
So the top went dead fast.
Yeah.
Over Lincolnshire show weekend.
Yes. Yeah.
I think those high temperatures there sort of bleached the top.
It was hot, wasn't it?
Very hot, yeah. That's why as I've sprayed it, it's just shelled out a little bit.
Yeah.
But,
Yeah. Well,
down to 12k spraying, you can't do much more than
no.
just go nice and steady. Trouble with this combine as well is because it's split.
Yeah.
So you've got drive at both ends.
Yeah.
So on an old combine you'd have drive at one end, so you'd have a smaller panel.
Yeah, that's
so
right.
you'd always driving around a pole or
Without
around
panel,
the outside of the field with that panel. The main drive isn't there.
You got two on this, haven't you?
Yeah, so you got two on here, so you can't wait.
You got two chances of smacking a pole.
Yeah, that's right.
years go by, it seems to me that loading a trailer is a lost art.
It is.
People seem to struggle so much with it these days.
Yeah, now you've got bigger trailers. You see them, they'll hold 14, 16 ton if you can get them.
Yeah.
Loaded them.
We always used to fill the front up until you could just still see above the heat. You could just see the bottom of your tailgate down at the back.
Yeah.
And then you'd run it back, and then you'd start loading your as you go back and load your back up and come forward.
Come forward.
Yeah.
I used to do that. Then I used to have a word with the combine driver and say, right, when I get comfortable at the back to fill my trailer, let me know. I used to line up either a door pillar or...
That's what, because you did. You always found that thing, didn't you? You found that one thing and you knew that was your back end, didn't you?
Yeah, you line it up with something on the header. You know when them two come into line with each other, you're there, you're in the right place.
I was speaking to Old Tunmore the other day, and he was saying the same thing, that he said, you know, it just seems to be that people have lost the ability to load a trailer. You know, and he said exactly the same as you. You know, get your mark.
Yeah.
Is that where I'm at the back? Yeah, you're at the back now. Right. Well, that means I'm in line with that then. And then you can do it at night then, can't you?
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah. You've only got to ask once. Yeah.
Yeah, nobody's going to deny you that, are they?
No.
You know, but, yeah, I say old root crop boys, they're the ones who know how to load a trailer.
They do. It's as soon as it starts coming dark and the lights are on, that's when they start worrying.
Yeah.
They worry when the lights come on. And I find that they start veering towards you a lot.
Yes, yeah. They're just drawn to it, aren't they?
Yeah, they steer that way.
Running all right on there.
Yeah, we're doing 5k forward speed, spot rate between 6.5 and 7 ton a hectare, but as we say, that the old fishwives' tale.
Yeah, that's running all right.
It's over 5 hectares an hour, 35 tons an hour on all seed rate. We're just getting into the swing of things. Second day in harvest, so
yeah, you're still finding your feet back with it, aren't you, and getting settled in. Well, there you are, and we'll keep up with these guys as they get into different crops and different varieties, and so we'll you know, see how they're getting on as the season progresses. Yeah, good stuff, eh? Thank you to all you guys, obviously, for all your support. You know, tell all your friends, tell all your mates and whatever. Let's keep the channel growing. The bigger it grows, the more stuff I have given to me to give to you. So that's all good. All you got to do, subscribe. Red button at the top, doesn't cost a penny, all free. And press that little bell symbol, and apparently the theory is that you get notified then when I put up a new video. Don't forget, we've got Facebook, and I'll put all the links up at the end, how to get me on that. Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram, and Snapchat just like wildfire at the moment. There's some great stuff going on there. You guys sending me snaps and that, brilliant. And I'm, as I said, seeing so much stuff out and about at the moment. I'll get as many photos as I can. I'll be putting them on Snapchat and Instagram, and yeah, fantastic stuff. Anyway then, I think that'll do us for today. Hope you enjoyed it. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Look after yourselves, have a good week, and mind how you go.